Some weather we're having, Ralph.
At least it's not raining.
You said it, pal. Stay warm out there.
You too, Sam.
It's snowing in New Zealand. Can't wait to have some wool from sheeps. Licky lips, poor Licky. I can't fly, remember? Oh. I need the wool. Good thing I put my... Oh, I do. Later. Okay. Pew. It works. I need the wool. Boing, boing. Cabin. For me, it's not even Christmas time yet. Ooh. How did you know everything? Oh, that's gonna leave a mark. Oh! Was it me or just getting chilly out here?
Did it get chillier out here, or is it just me?
That's what I said. Finally.
Nice scarf, Ralph. Is that wool?
Good one, Sam.
See you tomorrow, buddy.
Yep, see you tomorrow.